Okay, this is Avenida de Ouvidor, Arriaga, and we're just going to walk straight down this way, give a little context of where we are, and I'll tell you more because I think the site's going to turn in a second. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's kind of one of our crosswalks, and now this one is going, so let's grab it right now. That's a crosswalk, that's a cross street, but I want to just get across real quick before we have any issues. Okay, so this is the street we're going to be walking down, straight down that way. This is kind of see where we are. This goes south direction. That's our street right there. And then this one is I think it's a Catholic church right here. Oh, here's our street right here. So that's the one that we're focusing on. So we kind of came in about halfway through. The red market is down that way, and we're just going to stroll down this way. So let's do that. Got a Royal Supermarket over there. I think that one is I think that's the Catholic church, that yellow one. It's written in Chinese right there, so maybe somebody can verify it. Okay. It's written again right there too. Got security. It's all written in Chinese though. Oh, Sacred Heart. I think that might be Sacred Heart. So they got some good food here. Big line for that restaurant. It must be really good good food there. Interesting as well. So I guess they're all lined up for that one place right there, and I guess that might be a library, biblioteca. So maybe that around the corner is maybe a library. There's a guard there as well. Maybe connected to, I think it's Sacred Heart. There's Sacred Heart School is around here somewhere too. Okay, so we keep on walking down our street here. It's give a little bit of context. It's October 11. It's the day before a typhoon. We had a typhoon a couple of days ago. I don't know when I'm going to upload it, so the date will be down below of today's date and time. Okay, yeah, I've been seeing a lot of people going to the bank too. Should probably do it as well. And this one's another chicken place. So like that chicken place and that one are quite popular. There's a big long line again for this one. Kind of is okay. Let's keep on going. We got a beautiful pink colonial house right here with barbed wire all around it. We're gonna keep on strolling. Here. Yeah, we're actually planning for a typhoon, our second one in this week. So we had one that was category 8 that just ended. It was like 2 days, pretty long. It wasn't that strong, but it was a category 8, so the buses stopped running. There was a lot of flooding, not a lot, but there was definitely flooding for sure. And now we're getting ready for another one that's coming. Well, I heard it's going to come tonight, but it's going to be lingering around for a few days. The first part will come today, and then it'll be lingering around and get stronger and stronger. So people are racing and planning that. And I remember our other typhoon when we had Hado. These things were just destroyed. All these trees on these streets over here were just knocked down and blocking the way. It's a pretty common occurrence at that time. Okay, let's see. Keep on strolling along through here to the cross street. Okay, so we're still strolling along on our street, and yeah, it'll be interesting. Maybe these could be changing quite a bit after the typhoon. Some of these trees look like they're kind of new already. They used to be all quite large, and then the ones that went down were replaced with smaller ones. They have the scaffolding on them. interesting. Face mask. You can buy a face mask here. Yeah, it's also 2021, so everybody's wearing a mask. I'm sure people look at these videos in the future, then you can see exactly. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see what this one is. Beautiful. We got a barbershop. Yeah, the guy came up and was talking to the parrot. That's pretty cool. So, okay. Looks like there's a red one down there too. So we got that one, and a red one as well. Pretty cool. Okay, let's keep on going. Boutique shop. Wow, that's quite a dress there. Another era. Oh, that one too. Stylish vintage look. The fruit house. Oh, I wonder if I can get raspberries in here. Maybe no. Cool though. Okay, so we'll keep on strolling along. And we're coming up at Bank of China. With the typhoon, a lot of people are getting some money, so I might try to get some money myself, just in case there's an issue. Let's see how many people are in there. Not too many. It's the Bank of China. And then we're going to be ending this one in a second. So that's our crosswalk. We would keep going all the way down that way, but I think that's going to be the end. And this is our focus street right here. And we'll end it at that spot. Chiquinha, chiquinha.